Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 9. We are doing mathematics, unit number 4, algebraic expressions and algebraic formulas, and this is our session number 6. In last sessions, we have discussed square of binomial and trinomial, addition and subtraction of two squares, cube of binomials. In this session, we will discuss sum and difference of two cubes, and then at the last we will solve exercise 4.2 questions related to this topic. Sum of cubes. Students, if we are given these two factors a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square, then if we multiply them, for multiplication we split this factor into terms a and b and using distributive property of multiplication. First we multiply second factor by a times second factor, then plus b times second factor. This is very easy method to multiply any two factors. After this we get, after multiplication, we get a cube minus a square b plus ab square plus ba square minus ab square plus b cube. And you can observe very easily a square b is the additive inverse of b a square. So we cancel them. And a b square is the additive inverse of a b square. So we cancel them. We get a cube plus b cube. That is sum of two cubes. It means that if we multiply two factors which are like these in this pattern, then after multiplication we get a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, that is sum of two cubes, is actually the product of these two factors. Difference of cubes. If we are given two factors like that, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, then multiply them. The same pattern, first we distribute the first factor in two terms, a and b. First we multiply a by this factor, a square plus ab plus b square, minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, that is the second factor. After multiplication we get a cube plus a square b plus ab square minus b a square minus ab square minus b cube. And you can see very easily a square b is the additive inverse of b a square. So we cancel them, and a square is the additive inverse of minus ab square. We cancel them. After simplification we get a cube minus b cube, that is difference of two cubes. It means that if we multiply such factors which are in this form, then the product of these factors is equal to difference of two cubes. This is difference of two cubes. Okay, you can see that product of these factors is equal to a cube minus b cube, or you can say factors of a cube minus b cube are a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. As we have learnt in our previous classes, that factorization is the anti-process of product. If we multiply these two factors, then the product is a cube minus b cube. And if we factorize these two, this number or this factor, then the factors are a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So these are the factors of a cube minus b cube, and a cube minus b cube, and the product of these two numbers is a cube minus b cube. Next, factored form of sum of two cubes is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. This is the factored pattern of a cube plus b cube. But keep in mind, if here is plus sign, then in the first factor here is also plus sign. Both signs, these both signs are always same. Both signs are same. And here is plus sign, but in the second factor here is always minus sign. So these sign always opposite to each other. And the third sign, that is plus, this is always positive. You can remember this in this pattern. Both signs are positive, but this sign and this sign always opposite to each other, and this sign always positive. Factored form of difference of cubes. These are difference of cubes, a cube minus b cube. Erase it. A cube minus b cube, and its factors are a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So factors of a cube minus b cube are a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Both factored patterns are same, but the difference is, if here is minus sign, then definitely here is also minus sign. Same sign. Both signs are same, and these signs are always opposite to each other. At the last, this is always positive. Both sign patterns are same. In this way, you can remember them very easily. Now we will solve exercise 4.2 questions related to sum of cubes and difference of cubes. Question number 14. First question, first part, factorize x cube minus y cube minus x plus y. This is our given expression and we are going to factorize it. Solution. First of all, we write the given expression x cube minus y cube minus x plus y. At the first step, we are going to regrouping this. X cube minus y cube. Here x cube minus y cube. We make it one group. And then this minus sign, we take it as common. And this is our second group. Because we take minus common, then this minus sign will change the sign of this plus. It becomes minus times x minus y. This expression, we will get this expression after regrouping. Then identify and rewrite x cube, x time cube minus y cube minus x minus y. Factor using difference of two cubes. Difference of two cubes. As I told you earlier, x cube minus y cube. We factored it as x minus y times into x square plus xy plus y square. These are difference of two cubes. First term, second term. And factors are first term minus second term. Then the second factor is first term square, product of first and second term, and last uh, square of the second term. This is same as in the previous one, minus x times x minus y. Then x minus y, we taking it as common because these two factors are common in these two terms. We take it as common, x minus y. After taking common x minus y from this term, the remaining term is x square plus xy plus y square minus 1. And this is our required factored form, x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square minus 1. Question number 14, part 2. Factorize 8x cube minus 1 over 27y cube. First of all, we write the given expression as it is. Then you observe 8x cube. We can write it as 2x whole cube, as 8 is equal to 2 cube minus 1 over 27y cube is equal to 1 over 3y whole cube, as 27 is equal to 3 cube. So identify and rewrite the given expression. Now we are going to factorize it by using difference of cubes, because here is a cube minus b cube. First term cube minus second time cube. The factors are, or you can take it as that 2x is equal to a and b is equal to 1 over 3y. So in this formula, just replace a with 2x and b with 1 over 3y. So it becomes 2x minus 1 over 3y is equal to square of 2x square plus product of these two terms, that are 2x into 1 over 3y. Product of these two terms, first term and the second term. Product of two terms plus cube, here is not cube, here we have to write square. This is square. Okay, 1 over 3y square. Then after simplification we get 2x minus 1 over 3y times 4x square, as 2x square is equal to 4x square, and product of these two terms equal to 2 by 3 x over y plus 1 over 9y square, because 1 over 3y square is equal to 1 over 9y square, and this is it is our required factored form. Question number 15, find the product using formulas. Now we are going to multiply them and find out its product. First of all, we write the given expression as it is, x square plus y square times x4 minus x square y square plus y4. First of all, we identify and rewrite the given expression as x square plus y square as it is, and x4, it can be written as square of x square minus product of x square y square plus y4, it is the square of y square. Identify and rewrite sum of cubes, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. X square plus y square times x square of x square minus product of first term and second term plus square of again the second term. Multiply this by using sum of two cubes formula, as here is sum of two terms, first term plus second term, and here you can observe first term square minus product of first and second term plus second term square. So we can write it as first term cube plus second term cube. After simplification we get x cube of x square, it becomes x6 plus cube of y square, it becomes y6. This is not the required factors. These are the product. So this is the product of the given expressions. Next, question number 15, part 3. Find the product using formulas. This is the given expression and we are going to find out its product. X minus y times x plus y, x square plus y square times x square plus xy plus y square, and x square minus xy plus y square, x4 minus x square y square plus y4. The given expression, we write it as it is given. Identify and regrouping. You can see x minus y factor. If we combine this with this factor x square plus xy plus y square, then these two factors actually is the product of difference of two cubes, and then we combine these two factors by with each other as x plus y times and x square minus xy plus y square, and the product of these two factors is sum of two cubes. And the third, x square plus y square, we will combine this factor with x4 minus x square y square plus y4. Just identify and regroup them. This is our first group. I rewrite it x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square, x minus y times with x square plus xy plus y square, and x plus y times with x square minus xy plus y square, and x square plus y square with x4 minus x square y square plus y4. Here is the main technique is just how you can regroup them. These are the three groups. Identify and rewrite using sum and difference of cubes. As we are familiar, the product of these two factors is equal to x cube minus y cube, and product of these two factors is equal to x cube plus y cube. As there is plus sign, then we write here is also plus sign, and x square plus y square times with x4 minus x square y square plus y4, it is equal to cube of x square, as here is first term x square and first term x square, second term y square. So first term cube plus second term cube, that is cube of x square and cube of y square. Product using sum and difference of cubes. It becomes x cube minus y cube, x cube plus y cube, and x6 plus y6. Again, you can observe these two factors. These two factors actually are the difference of squares, as this is x cube and y cube. Both terms are same, x cube plus y cube. Here the difference is just the binary operation. These are sum of two terms and these are difference of two terms, and both terms are equal to each other. So we combine these two factors with the help of a minus b times a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So it is equal to square of x cube, square of y cube. Product of these two factors is equal to square of x cube minus square of y cube. And the second factor as it is, we write it as it is. Square of x cube, it is simplified as x6 minus y6, x6 plus y6 as it is. Again identify and rewrite them. And observe first term, both are equal to each other. second term, both are equal to each other. So you can name them as these are two terms with difference of this sign. Both are different. So we combine these two terms by using difference of squares, or we can find out their product by using difference of squares. So it is square of x6, that is first term, square of y6, that is the second term. So required product is x12 minus y12. Question number 15, part 3. We solve it again. We make their groups, first group, second group, and the third group. And we are going to find out first of all the product of first group, then product of the second group, then product of the third group. These are three groups. The product of first group is equal to, because here is their terms are x and y, so cube of x minus cube of y, and the product of second, cube of x plus cube of y, and product of the third, first term is x square, so it is cube of x square, second term is y square, so it is cube of y square. X cube minus y cube, x cube plus y cube, and x6, as cube of x square is equal to x6 plus y6. Again we are going to find out the product of first two factors. These are the two factors using sum of two squares, as this is the first term and second term, both are equal to each other with the difference of signs. So we combine them by using difference of squares. So its product is square of first term, and first term is x cube, square of second term, and the second term is y cube. So square of x cube minus square of y cube, and x6 plus y6, it is as it is. Square of x cube becomes x6, and square of y cube becomes y6. So x6 minus y6, x6 plus y6. Again observe, both terms are equal to each other, x6 and x6, y6 and y6. And what is the difference? Difference is these binary operation. This is minus and this is plus. So whenever we are going to take product of such factors, we use difference of squares. A minus b times a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So its product is square of x6, that is first term, square of y6, that is second term. So it becomes x12 minus y12. That is the required product. Question number 15, part 4. The given expression is 2x square minus 1, that is the first factor, and second factor 2x square plus 1, third factor 4x4 plus 2x square plus 1, and the fourth one 4x4 minus 2x square plus 1. First of all, we are going to regroup them. So this is regrouping. 2x square minus 1 minus 1. So this type of factor always combines with a factor which has both signs positive. So 2x square minus 1, we combine this factor with 4x4 plus 2x square plus 1. Observe, first term minus second term, and here is first term square. First term is 2x square, its square is 4x4, and the second term, that is the combination of product of first and second term. 2x square is the first term and 1 is the second term. Product of 2x square and 1 is 2x square plus square of the second term, and second term is 1, so its square is 1. This is first group. And the second group, 2x square plus 1. We combine this with 4x4 minus 2x square plus 1. 2x squared the first term and its square is 4x4. So first the factor, you observe this factor and its first term is the square of first term, that is 2x square, and it is the product of first and second term. 2x square multiplied by 1 we get 2x square, and square of the second term is 1. So this is the second group. We're going to find out its product by using sum and difference of cubes. First group, whenever we are going to multiply these two factors, we get first term cube minus second term cube, and first term is 2x square. Second term is 1. So this is cube of first term, that is 2x square, minus cube of second term in this factor, in this group. First term is 2x square, so cube of 2x square plus cube of the second term, that is 1. So it is square of cube of 2x square plus 1. Product using sum and difference of two cubes. 2x square, after taking its cube, it becomes 8x6, as 2 cube is equal to 8. 8x6 minus 1 cube equal to 1. 2x square, its cube is 8x6 plus 1. Again observe, both terms are equal to each other, 8x6, 8x6, and these two terms are equal to each other. And what is the difference in two factors? Just these signs. So this type of two factors are combined by using difference of squares, a minus b times a plus b. So it is equal to square of first term minus square of second term. Square of first term is equal to 64x12 minus 1. This is our required factor. So I hope students you can solve exercise 4.2 very easily. Fi Aman Allah.